Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are amazing. And are you doing your assignments on time? Do you find it easy or a bit hard? I have given you all the easy questions. Yes, and I know you are a smart student. You are going to do it well. Fine. In the previous video, we did the revision of the chapter factors. Yes, and today we are going to see multiples and we are going to revise the chapter. Okay? But first of all, let me clear your confusion. I know you have doubts and you are getting confused between what is factors and what are multiples. Yes, so let's see the difference between the factors and multiples. Now see students, first of all, the factors, I have given you this formula. Factors go down to the floor. Factors क्या जाएगा? Factors will go down and multiples will go up to the mountain. Multiples will go up. Now factors क्या होता है? Factors are the part of the number and multiples are I can say you can get multiples by having more units of the number. Yes. Now see, if I take a number 12, so 12 के factors क्या होंगे? You have to find out by seeing 12 किस किस के table में आता है. Okay, 12 comes in table of 1, 12 comes in table of 2, it comes in the table of 3, it comes in the table of 4, it comes in the table of 6 also. Fine, it comes in the table of 12. Fine, so these are the factors. 12, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1 are the factors of the number 12. Now, what are the multiples of the number 12? Now, multiples क्या होगा? Multiples है ना, number से शुरू होगा first of all. The 12 is the number, so it will start with the 12. Now, 12 का table, multiples means multiplication. I have given you to remember that code. Yes, multiples means multiplication. So, 12 का multiples means you have to say the table of 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 72, 84 and it goes on and see this dotted line is there. So it cannot have the last number. You cannot find the last multiple of a number because the number are unlimited. 1200s are 1200, 12,000 are 12,000. So you can go on and on. Fine. So this is the difference between the factors and multiples. So 12 is both the factor and the multiple of itself. कोई भी एक number, take any number, x, y, z number, suppose 45. So 45 is the factor as well as the multiple of itself. 45 का factor भी है और multiple भी है. Okay, now let's see the other example which I gave you. That is 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. Now see, 20 के factors क्या होंगे? 5 and 4. Fine, and 20 is the multiple of 4 and 20 is the multiple of 5 because 5 fours are 20 and 4 fives are 20. Yes, so this is the difference between the factors and multiple. Okay, now let's see the other example. I told you that multiples means multiplication. Fine, now you have to find fourth multiple of 5. So this is fourth multiple of 5. 5 fours are or 4 fives are. So fourth multiple of 5. You remember that frog jumping? Yes, the frog has to jump 4 times at the gap of 5 because you have to find fourth multiple of 5. Fine. So this is what the frog will reach to 20. So fourth multiple of 5 will be 4 fives are 20. And now you have to find sixth multiple of 5. So 6 fives are 30. Fine. And then we will see the if the greater number is a multiple of the smaller number or not. See, in the previous we saw multiples by multiplication. Yes, and we can even find multiples by division also. Now let's see, the greater number is a multiple of smaller number or not. Now I have taken the example of 13 and 10 now. 9. Now which is the greater number? 109. So 109 is a multiple of 13. That is the question. So if the question is asked that one number is a multiple of other number, what you have to do, you have to find out by using division method. You can also do it by using multiplication method, but in your textbook it's given division method. ठीक है, so we will do 109 divided by 13, and as 13 8 is 104. Okay, 13 5 it will increase to 109, so we have taken as 13 8. So 13 8 104, so my quotient will be 8 and I will have the remainder as 5, because 104 105 6 7 8 9, this is 109, so 5 will be my remainder. Fine, if remainder is there, I will say that 109 is not the multiple of 13, and if I get remainder as 0, I can say that any number is a multiple of other number. Yes, so as the remainder is not 0 or is 5, 109 is not the multiple of 13. Okay, now let's take the other topic, that is common multiples. Now common multiples means what? First of all, you have to find all the multiples and then you have to find which are the common multiples among the numbers. Fine. Now let's say find two common multiples of 15, 10 and 5. Three numbers are given. Okay. So first of all, we will find the table of all the three numbers. Fine. So till which number you find the table? Till the number 10. That is 15 टेंजा तक आपको टेबल लिखने हैं, 10 टेंजा तक लिखने हैं and 5 टेंजा तक लिखने हैं. ठीक है. So let's have multiples of 15 first. So it will be 15, 30, 45, then 60, then 75, 90, 105 and 120, 135 and 150. So 15 टेंजा तक I have written the table. Then you have to write multiples of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So 10 टेंजा तक लिख लिया. Fine. Then multiples of 5. So 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So this is 5 टेंजा तक. ठीक है. Now we have to find the common multiples. Let's check out. So it's 5 here and no. Okay. 30, I suppose 30. Yes, 30 will come. So we'll circle 30. Here's 30 and here also we have 30. Fine. Now see 45, 40 and 30. 40 है तो यहाँ पे तो नहीं होगा. Then 60. Then 60 is there. Here 60 is there and here 50 is only there. So I think if I increase the table of 5, I'll get 60 because I know 5 12s are 60 और multiples of 5 में तो 60 आएगा. Yes. So I will increase the table. So 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. So I can get the second common multiple because I have been asked two common multiples ढूंढना है. So we got only one. Yes. So we will see the 60 as the second multiple. Now if I ask you, you have to find the third multiple. Okay. Now see, this is 75, this is 70. Okay, so you will not have here 75 because 10 के multiple में 75 नहीं होगा. 5 के multiple में you will have 75 if you will increase. But then 10 के table में तो नहीं होगा. Okay, so you have to find 90. Now 90 here is there. Here you will have, and in 5 का table also you will get 90. Yes. So you can increase the table of 5 to get the 90. That is the third common multiple. Okay. So here we end up with the sum, that is we will write our final statement. The first two common multiple of 15, 10 and 5 are 30 and 60. Okay. And the next we saw that divisibility test of 2. If you want to find whether a number is divisible by 2 or not, what you do? You remember? Yes, you have to see that the unit digit in the number should be even number because it should be divisible by 2. Yes, see the unit digit. Here it's 3. It should be even number, matlab 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, it should be that in the units place. Okay, so let's check out whether the number 463 is divisible by 2 or not. As I told you, the unit digit should be even number, but here 463 is having 3 in the ones place, which is not an even number. 3 is an odd number. So I can say that 463 is not divisible by 2. Fine, only this much you have to say, that unit place में वो even number नहीं है, and that's why it's not divisible by 2. So students, that's all for today. Okay, we will have the revision of the next chapter in the next video. Fine, till then study well and play well. Thank you.